Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna remove the rear bumper of my EG hatch. One of the subscribers asked how you remove the rear bumper. I'm gonna show you today, so stay tuned. So there's 5 screws right here. 2 of mine snapped, but yeah, nothing you can do about that. And one of these is pretty hard to reach, but if you just up the latch a little bit, you can reach it with the flat or with the Phillips screwdriver. There's another one that's snapped, and there's another one. There's one screw on the side here. I hope you can see that. Yeah, there it is. And there's one on the other side as well. And usually there's 2 10mm bolts underneath the car. I thought I didn't have them in, but turns out they're in. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to remove that. Okay, so firstly I always remove the 5 screws that are here. I only have to do 3, but this one is pretty easy to reach, the one on the outside, but they can be pretty stuck, so yeah, just watch out that you don't twist the head of the screws. But there you go, that's one. And for the one in the middle and the right one, I always press up the latch a little bit so you can reach the head. Just turn it and it comes right out. It's a bit tricky to get them, but there, that's another one. And this one. Like that. Okay, now we move over to the screws on the side. Just feel where they are. Flathead screwdriver. And just twist them loose. That's one. On to the other side. Let me see if I can do this. With one hand. It's pretty hard, but yeah, there you go. That one is also off. Okay. Now you want to close the hatch like that. And we're gonna remove the 2 10mm bolts underneath the car. Okay, the 2 10mm bolts underneath the car, they're pretty easy. Just be careful you don't break them. That's one. The other one here. And 2. Okay, now you can just slide the bumper out. I usually pry it from the side a little bit, slide it back, the other side. Let it back and just take the whole bumper. And there you go. So that's how you remove the rear bumper. It's not that hard, just a few screws and 2 bolts, and then it comes right off. I hope this video was useful to you. If it did, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one.